My name is Jacindan Fortuna Guerrero, a part of cadets and the Seaman Nautical Corps. During my years of study, I have learned fundamentals of navigation, ship and handling, and maritime safety. These lessons taught me not my only technical knowledge but also important values such as discipline, teamwork, and discipline. As a cadet student, I experienced different kinds of training and challenges that helped me grow both mentally and emotionally. I learned how to adapt to difficult situations and to remain calm and under pressure. I am passionate about working at sea because I believe it is a profession that requires not just skills but also courage, dedication, and a strong sense of duty. I see myself as a person who is eager to learn more and continuously improve. My goal is to build a meaningful career where I can apply my knowledge and gain more experience and contribute to the success of the company. You should hire me because I am determined, hardworking, and willing to take on challenges. I believe that my training in education have prepared me to handle the responsibilities of cadet. I am a person who values teamwork, time management, and safety, which are all essential qualities on board. I am also someone who learns fast and can easily adapt to new environments. I take my tasks seriously and always make sure to give my best effort and everything. To sum it up, I may be a fresh graduate, but I have the passion, discipline, and commitment to grow in this profession and to represent your company with pride and